This is a video how to do the HTML code in a Leadsleap capture page. I'll give you the this is the HTML code that always stays the same. All that you've got to do is change this number. So to show you how to do that, you go to Frank's video that he does every week. You right click view frame source, and it's always a Vimeo video, and all that you need is the last number. So you just have to copy that. You just copy this number, go to your code that I'll email you, put the code in, the number, has to be exact. Then you copy this, go back to your capture page, copy it into the code place, click on the side, then you just stretch out the code. Then click save, and you're all ready to go. So we'll just go through that again. To get this is the only thing you have to do is change that number. So you go to Frank's video, right click on view frame source, copy that number, put it into this section, or the easiest things to do is always have the whole code in Word, and then you only have to put the number in here and then copy it in. Copy it into capture page and save, and you're on the way to go. And that's all you have to do. Thank you.